Hi, and welcome to Learn Power BI Fast. Today we're going to be going over a sample PL-300 question. The question reads, you need to use Power Query to clean and transform the data set. The solution must meet the following requirements. Number one, if the discount column returns an error, a discount of 0.05 must be used. So this column C right here, we have to replace these errors with 0.05. And these look like Excel errors, div 0, and A, reference. Number two, all the rows of data must be maintained. So we cannot delete any of the rows, nor add any rows. Just have to keep it the way it is, just replacing the errors basically. And number three, administrative effort must be minimized. So we want to do the least amount of work to accomplish this task of replacing the errors. What should you do in the Power Query editor? So let's go to Power BI, and I'm going to import a Excel worksheet that I made to kind of mimic what we saw there in the question. So click this, go to transform data, and let's just make the first row our headers, since our headers are column 1, column 2, column 3 right now, just to make it look more presentable. Okay. Now, if we load this right now, close and apply, we go to view errors, we have this query errors group that is created right here, showing us all of the errors. And we'll go back to this later when we go over one of the options for the answers. So let's go to our multiple choice options right now. So for A, it says select replace errors. Okay, so that looks like a good option to me. Here's the query. If we go to transform and we go to replace values, so we click this little arrow drop down right here and go to replace errors and enter the value which will replace errors in the selected columns. I clicked into this column. We want to click into the discount column. Okay. And we're going to go to replace errors. I'm going to go to put the value as 0.05 and press OK. That was just one step right there, very easy. Seems like that would be the choice that I would pick so far. So I'm gonna put a check next to that so far. Not a lot of administrative effort. We kept all the rows of the data. Kept all the rows. All the errors were replaced with 0.05. And what was the last one? Yeah, administrative effort, just one step. So we're good right there. So option B, let's see, edit the query in the query errors group. So before I was talking about that group, this is the query errors group that was created when we loaded the data. So I think it's not showing the errors right now because I replaced them, but here we have the errors again. But as you can see here, the query errors group only shows the reduced amount of columns. So it's violating one of the requirements. All of the rows of data must be maintained. So this is not correct, right? We can't get rid of any of the rows and select remove errors. This is also not correct because all of the rows of data must be maintained. If we just remove them, we're not going to have the same amount of rows. But I'll just show you if you wanted to remove the rows, you just click the column and then you go to Home, Remove Rows, Remove the Errors. Okay, that's how you do that. But that's not what's satisfying our requirements. And D, select Keep Errors. Let's show that here. We'll just remove this step in the Applied Steps section. So we go back to our original data set. And we're gonna keep the errors. So we're keeping the errors, but we're getting rid of all the other rows in the discount column that had no errors. So that violates this requirement. So this is not correct. And the answer will be select replace errors. Okay. Thank you, and please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.